nice to be pulled in early to many of them. So, and these are not small. So we're talking like inpatient facilities with operating rooms and CSP, all highly regulated. Um, it definitely it it's a good thing in a sense to be brought in the beginning when construction's going on, so that you can maybe learn about how the flow of traffic is going and how the room should be set up. But we're now beyond that point. So now whatever's there is there, and we're working with what we have, and just going with the with the surveyor's eyes to kind of look around to see what's missing, what needs to be added. It's just different. It's interesting what an architect's design is and what they feel is important versus what can be done or needs to be done from infection prevention. Just the design elements, and trying to meet in the middle where they don't want things in the hallway on the wall because it's ugly, but you need PPE accessible, so you need to put it somewhere. So meeting in the middle with some of this stuff, even with the plantings, and you have to be careful with fresh plants, and you can't have them everywhere. So there was definitely compromise with the builders, and so you have to know your regs. You have to come prepared, and you're definitely not probably going to be the favorite person in the room when you have to tell someone who's spending a lot of money that they can't have like a water feature, and then they end up having a different like light fix, like it's very pretty actually, but it's not a water feature. So we did win that one, but yeah, so it's definitely, you learn a lot, and again, and that's highly regulated too. So